My name is Greg Pound, and you're getting ready to watch a videotape that we are putting together as just to present the evidence to the people so they can see what's happening here in Pinellas County. Our daughter was accidentally bit by someone else's dog 2 years ago, and the Department of Children and Family came out and took our children from us. I wasn't home. My other 3 children weren't at home when this accident happened. And the girl who came in, the CPI agent for the Sheriff's Department, Megan Gallagher was her name, she was arrested 2 months into our case for falsifying 26 cases prior to our case, to the removal of our children. Now, we've been in this battle for over 2 years, and this, I've tried everything from going through the whole court system, which costed us a whole lot of money, a lot of time. Our children now have been abused by the Department of Children and Family, Safe Children Coalition to the degree where our children have been to the doctors over 70 times. My son, 4 years old, when they took him, had no cavities. He went to the dentist here just a little while ago. He had 6 cavities, 6 big cavities. He didn't have any when they took him from us. Our children have been isolated from us of 1 hour a month. They've done everything they possibly can. And then it's getting to the degree now where I've decided to come out and to seek petitions from the people. And in this past 2 weeks, I've received over 500 signatures, and I've got scores. What you're going to see on this tape has been done in the past 2 weeks of people testifying what's happening here in this court system in order to get this second largest federal grant coming into the state of Florida. Now, me and my wife, we don't smoke, we don't drink, we don't do drugs. We live in a 4-bedroom home, 2 bath, and we don't. And we're appealing to the people in Pinellas County and those who watch this videotape to help us to stop this organized crime system in Pinellas County called the Department of Children and Family, where they're using people's children for money. Now, here's some articles I want to show you here. This is the Cruz family in Pinellas County. These boys were raped in the foster homes, and this article is I believe it was December of 2004. You can look it up. It's the Cruz children. Right here, the Cruz children, these boys were molested from family to family to family. They told their caseworkers and nothing was done. We've confronted our caseworkers about the abuse our children are going through to no avail. We haven't been able to get anything done through the court system. Marion Fleming, she turns away from the truth. It's just a real sad situation. Here's the article of Megan Gallagher. This is December 10th, 2004. Pinellas County Sheriff's detective arrested one of their investigators Thursday. Now, she was 25 years old. Megan Gallagher, 25, also submitted bogus reports. She submitted bogus reports of child abuse and neglect in order to get money for the Department of Children and Family. You have a situation here where you have the Planned Parenthood of the parenting class that we took, and this is what they told us to teach our kids at the age of 6. At the age of 6, we're supposed to teach our children that everyone has sexual thoughts and fantasies, and that having them is normal, and there are different types of care and homes, and that sexual identity includes sexual orientation, lesbians, gays, straights, and bisexuals. We've been required by the state of Florida, through our case manager, to demonstrate that we're teaching this to our kids, and we have to demonstrate it to her in order to get our children back. Then you have an article right here that just came out. This is May 24th, 2000, just these last couple days, where it says, a mother here is looking for her son under the Department of Children and Family. This is the St Pete Times, where her son has disappeared. Sorry for the wind here. And what it is we're in a lying court system, and we're asking people to please help us to get something done about it. We're asking you please to go ahead. This here, if you want to read it, you can get on the archives of the St. Pete Times newspaper and read the article May 24th, 2006 in the St. Pete Times, which was Wednesday, where it says this is the 3rd time that Levi Diller, 9, has disappeared since being placed in Safe Children Coalition's care. So what we have is we have a system here. We have another situation where lately the children are disappearing. Where you have right here in this article here from the St. Pete Times, where you have just doing her job, she exposes scandal. There's scandals going on in the Department of Children and Family, and the big question is we've had to ask, why are they lying and falsifying this documentation against me and my wife? Why are they doing this? And we've come to the conclusion the purpose is for money. They're making big money by taking our children from us, lying and falsifying documentation. And my name is Greg Pound, and my phone number is 727-319-3705. That's in Largo, Florida. And as you watch this DVD and you see the rest of the testimonies of the people, when you see the lady whose child was taken from her because someone made a false allegation against her, they put her in jail for 2 weeks. She hasn't seen her son for now it's been going on 10 weeks. He's 10 years old. And this woman, you'll see the people crying on this DVD, asking people, what can be done? What can we get done? It's not only me, but I've discovered after 2 years of fighting with the court system, trying to defend our rights to our children, and all the lies and the falsifying of this court system. It's like the state attorney said to me and my wife, out of all the families we've come against, you two have fought the hardest against the Department of Children and Family. And we found out, this is what they said: we cannot take your children because abuse or neglect. The only way we can get your children is by you abandoning your children. And that's why they put us through the hell they put us through, is to try to get us to abandon our children. They make it a living hell, and through that living hell, people usually have to. You'll see on this DVD where a lady's husband committed suicide, just through the trauma of losing their home, losing their kids, just what it costed them in court. And this is a money maker for the people, this court system, for the lawyers. And it's just really sad that we have this going on in America, and we're asking somebody to please step up and to help us get it stopped.